I welcome you all to the lecture series on economic botany. In this session, you are going to learn about the origin, distribution, cultivation, and uses of chili. The scientific name of chili is Capsicum annum or Capsicum frutescens. It belongs to the family Solanaceae. The common names are Mirachi, chili, silly, lada, kabai, etc. The part used is fruit. Chili is considered as one of the major commercial crops of the world. It was first discovered by Christopher Columbus in tropical America, and its use spread rapidly throughout the world because of its pungent flavor, variously classified as herb, fruit, or vegetable. It is now an inseparable part of Asian cuisines. The name chili is derived from the Mexican word chili. The plant is native of tropical America. The origin of the chili is tropical America. Chili crop is raised both for green and ripe dry fruits. Major chili growing in the world are Asia, Africa, Central America, Europe, and South America. States growing chili in India are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Punjab, and Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Coming to the cultivation of chili. The chili is a plant of tropical and subtropical region. It grows well in warm and humid climate and a temperature of 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. Well drained loamy soils rich in organic matter with pH between 6.5 to 7.5 is the best soil for cultivation. The best season of sowing is June to February or June January to February, June to July or September to October. The land is prepared by giving 2 to 3 pluggings and clod crushing after each plugging. Compost or farmyard manure should be spread and mixed well in the soil at least 15 to 20 days before sowing. At the last plugging, aldrin or F-tuff should be applied to the soil to protect the crop from white ants and other soil pests. Next, coming to the propagation of chili. Chili is propagated by seeds for raising nurseries. Seeds of high yielding varieties with tolerance to pests and diseases may be used. They should be carefully selected from certified organic farms or from own seed plot which is raised organically. To start with chemically untreated seeds from local high yielding varieties could also be used in the absence of organically produced seeds. After that, apply the manure. For basal dose, farmyard manure at the 25 ton per hectare should be applied. Apply NPK in the ratio of 30 is to 60 is to 30 kg per hectare. Application of potassium in the form of potassium sulfate will increase the quality of chili. This is the basal dose. Next is the for top dressing should be applied 30 kg of nitrogen per hectare in equal splits on 30, 60 and 90 days after planting. Say should not be treated with any chemical fungicides or pesticides in chili farming. However, it is always beneficial to adopt indigenous practices for seed treatment wherever possible. The seeds may be treated with trichoderma and pseudomonas species to prevent incident of seedling rot in the nursery. For weed control, apply the pendimethalin or fluchloralin as pre-emergence herbicide followed by hand weeding once in a 30 days after planting. Irrigation is done at weekly intervals in this plant. The intercrops like onion and coriander can be grown for getting additional income. It can also be helped to control the weed population. In this plant, fruit borer, thrips, and aphids are the common pests. To control these pests, set up a pheromone traps or collection and destruction of damaged fruits and grown up caterpillars. Spray Bacillus thuringiensis. Provide poison bait with cowbell, iceberg, jaggery, and water or spray bioinsecticide. Grow agate as a intercrop. These are the control measures to control the common pest in the chili plant. Next, coming to the diseases of the plant. Anthracnose damping off is the common diseases in this plant. Damping off, leaf spot, powdery mildew, dieback, and fruit rot, chili mosaic. These are the common diseases in this plant. For anthracnose damping off diseases, so treat the seeds to control these disease. Treat the seed with Trichoderma viride or Pseudomonas fluorescens of seeds 24 hours before sowing, or use disease-free seeds. Leaf spot can be controlled by spraying mancozeb or copper oxychloride. To control powdery mildew diseases, spray the wettable sulfur or carbendazim. Totally 3 sprays are required at 15 days interval from the first appearance of symptom. For dieback and fruit rot diseases, spray the mancozeb or copper oxychloride thrice at 15 days interval starting from noticing the dieback diseases. Symptom. The next disease is chili mosaic diseases. To control these diseases, raise 2 rows of maize or sorghum for every 5 rows of chili crop against wind direction. Next, coming to the harvesting of chili. Chili is highly perishable in nature. Harvesting can be done 75 days after transplanting. It requires more attention during harvest, storage, and transportation. Harvesting should be done at the right stage of maturity. Chilies, which are used for vegetable purpose, are generally harvested while they are still green but full grown. Chilies are harvested at red stage for canning purpose. Chilies used for drying are harvested at full ripe stage which can be turned into chili powder. The last aspect is economic uses of chili. It spies on account of its pungency and pleasant flavor. It spies on account of its pungency and pleasant flavor. Used as a major ingredient in curry powder and in culinary preparations. In India, chilies are essentially used in vegetable and meat preparations, either fresh or dry. It is used for pickle preparations. When chilies taken with food stimulates our taste buds and thereby increase the flow of saliva which contains the enzyme amylase which is turn helps in the digestion of starchy or cereal foods etc. into the easily assembled sugar namely glucose. Capsaicin has significant physiological action which is used in many pharmaceutical preparations like an ointments for cold, some throat, chest congestions. It is also used in cosmetics like prickly heat powders and skin ointments. Also used as carminative, toxic, and stimulant. Extract of chilies are used in the preparation of ginger beer and other beverages. Oleoresin is produced by solvent extraction of chili and it is used in paint, balms, vapors, etc. Thank you.